May as well replace them all, right?
All right, let's do it. So this is the one I balanced, right?
Yeah.
So one thing we didn't do was...
The front gear?
Yeah, it's okay. I'll drive with it the way it is. Come on in.
Come on in.
These little bugs, those are the ones that Jay was talking about. They're everywhere.
I know, what are those?
I don't know, but they're everywhere.
Chickens.
No, they're not biting.
That's why I closed my tailgate.
Nice. Very nice.
Good job.
Okay, so this is the rolling a little too far. Okay. Okay, taxiing out.
Taxiing out, Mike.
You guys good on time? Yeah, I gotta hold a lot of left, but it's okay.
You gotta hold the rudder left.
Yeah, we can fix it. We can fix it when we get back. Okay, taking off, maiden flight. Okay. Whoa, it jumped. Oh yeah, that's good. Those are good settings. For me anyway. Okay, yeah, we need a little bit more up, which I suspected would happen. Very little trim. Look at this, Jodel.
Yeah.
And the lemon's on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect. Look at that. Hands off. Might be a little too high, the gyro, because if we go faster, I'm going to go to low rates on elevator. I mean mid rates on elevator.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, it's a little, the gyro off is which one? This one?
This one, yeah.
Okay. I'm going to turn it off because it's a little too much. We'll have to turn it down. Okay. We'll have to turn it down a little bit.
Okay.
And I'm going to turn, is this elevator or something else?
Which one?
The elevator mid rate and low rate. Is this it? What's the elevator, the
Right
rates?
here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It's all there?
All there, yeah.
Okay. All of them are low?
Yeah.
Okay. On that same switch, okay. So now it's flying in low right now. Yeah. Oh, that's good. I think low rates are good. Let's go back to high. Elevator's way too touchy.
Okay.
Yeah, way too touchy. Just gonna fly it in low. I'll land in high.
Booty.
Fiery booty, baby.
So that's gyro off.
Yeah. I have a feeling that it's gonna flop around. What do you call it? The gain's too high.
Okay. Yeah, right. I think right now the actual gains on the gyro itself are on mid.
That's too much. Yeah.
Turn those down.
Turn those down a little bit. It's flying good though. This is low rate right now. Flies good in low rate. Yeah, it just expired. Yeah. I've been flying mostly half, so I'm not too worried.
Okay.
I'm still trimming. Yeah, that's good. I think you're okay. I think you'd be okay with it. Mid rates might be okay. Right now, the elevator on mid rates is okay. There, low rates is better.
Okay.
High rate. This is high rate elevator.
Oh yeah.
It's too much.
Okay.
So we'll cut it down a little bit. I'm in low rates at the moment. I'll do a gear check and then we'll come into land. I gotta separate myself from these guys.
Should we call it?
Yep.
Landing! Left to right.
Gonna go without flaps because we didn't check them. That was low rates. Started to run out of elevator when I landed, but it's not too bad.
Well, good. So now we need to adjust the high rate on the elevator.
Yeah. Taxiing back.
Ailerons are okay?
I flew everything in low.
Okay.
So let's see whatever the low rates are, and then we'll make those the high. Or a little bit, add a little bit for high. Yeah. Flew great though, you'll love it. Let's just turn that gyro down on the ailerons, because it seemed a little too much.
Okay.
Sure.